Ojarawa norok nai tongo Khorang the Boys. Lamsoko Khorang the Boys ni mangpio joto nai tongai lukurok no. Belaikan kok no kodo tei kaisa live umani chora ongui tongo Shillong Meghalaya o nukjagi faike mangpio Singkrak David Murasing bai thangi malai mani Rajkumari Pragyano bahaino tei Singkrak David Murasing bahaino hambaya farmani sike bini Facebook o mohaike phai malai phandi phai mani bagai hnai yakulo Rajkumari Pragya bono bskango lenglanan bagai kobokha nukjagi faike borom gorang David Murasing Shillong hapmani yakulo kabangma tipra sarokno yaprishe phaimani aba haikeno o jorao Shillong hangkoro phatara hasteni chaya raida bai hapnai eba illegal immigration no tui tei Tiprasa ekot no tui kok awai mung khaijagi tongo tai Meghalaya ni lukurok no bahaino English bai sai khnari marok nungjai faika mangpli ni bising tui naine di o mangpio paithak jora
It's here, not far, 10 minutes, 15 minutes. Just get in.
Take 10 kilometer ke sok sinai. That means lots of impact here. Pungay sirsina. Rasam tangsa. Hamzak na rengeradi. Chobani takhuro. Hamzak na rengeradi. Chobani takhuro. Hai khele hano manya se thansa angradi norok hamzag na rengradi chobani takhuro hai khele hano manya se thansa angradi norok.
Dari mana saya?
My students, Tabuk, only the special khasi dish. Almost try kita mau jaga udara. Laikur nih, kita jaga sempat lagi. Jotom naising nih, ke naising sini. Sekisar pengmi breakfast. Kamu sambung salan naik tuh. Bisa kan tidak ada itu. Oh lah, restaurant. ये क्या है ये डिश का नाम क्या है मैडम ये डिश का नाम क्या है क्या ज़रो ज़रो क्या और खासी नी डिश ज़रो सही तो ज़रो and चना मटर चला तो माय बेस नाम से अपना ज़रो है ना so we are enjoying the ज़रो of खासी special dish so by this breakfast we'll start our next journey. Thank you very much.
So we almost going to reach the main city Shillong, Madan rating. This is Laikur. So our brother is also here. What's your name, brother?
My name is
Milagun Sai, and he is asking why you
working?
working. So brother, we working because we the Tiprasa, the son of Soils and the indigenous peoples of Tripura, we lost our lands because of the influx of the illegal migration. So many refugees and illegal migration from Bangladesh, they are coming to our state and they make the voter IDs, Aadhaar cards, and they became majority, and the local peoples they became minority. Because of that, we lost our political rights. So majority must be granted now. So the majority is the legal migrants and they have political rights, they have economic, social, everything. in their hand. So that's why it's a long pending demand of our Tripura peoples. So our Maharaja of Tripura, Maharaja Pratap Vikram Kishore Manikya, he also started a movement from since 2019.
How many days you have been working, brother?
Huh?
How many days you have been working?
We already worked 16 days, approx 16 days, and so it's almost 450 kilometers up to Shillong, 470 maybe.
What state is the place?
Huh? No, we have to go in Delhi. Our destination is Delhi, so it's against the illegal migration. This protest is. So we want to award the central government, and we have one demand. Greater Tripura, that is Greater Tripura in separate state, and like before that, maybe 1968 or 70s, this Meghalaya is also under the Assam. In that time, the Meghalaya peoples are not independent. They have no political rights. They are minority in Assam. So Captain William Samma is fighting for the separate Meghalaya. That's why now you get your Meghalaya state. So like that, we are also demanding a Greater Tripura land. And our so many lands are now under the Bangladesh. Under the Bangladesh also, this is called the Plain Tripura. When India is divided, in that time, our plain land that goes under the is Pakistan means the Bangladesh. So and so many illegal migrants are also coming in Tripura. So that is the main fact. And now central government before 18 months ago, central government, they promise us and they make tripartite accord along with our Tiprasa peoples and through Maharaja Pratap Vikram Kishore Manikya, state government, Tiprasa peoples and the central government. There's a tripartite accord. The name of that accord is Tiprasa Accord, and they promise to fulfill this accord within the 6 months. But it's already 18 months. Already 18 months. It's crossing 18 months also, 18-19 months. So they forget their promise. So that's why. So we want to again remind them. Want to remind them their promises. That's why this is a long march, historical long march, which was launched by myself. And so many people, they are supporting this march, Tripura peoples. And many Khasi and Jaintia peoples, brothers, sisters, they are also supporting this, and they are showing their solidarity along with us. So it's this fourth march is following the principle of Gandhi.
Okay.
I am following the principle of Gandhi, so it's Gandhian principle. By the Gandhian principle, I am protesting this.
Okay.
So thank you very much for asking. So once again, I want to ask you, what's your name?
Vedat inside.
Your house is nearby, na?
Yeah, nearby.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you, Kublai. So borok sanga nike borno saimak narga. Buci ka bobo. Buci ma khamna bobo. Okay. Logerok, bayrok. Wan subinai de. Borne habo salsa alada rajyo krai. Kiaba Captain William Sangma Sangpro fight kema bai. Borok Meghalaya state manka. Tak borok Yogzaka Chingsasa. Selai Jaktanga kamong borok sawagi belai big rakri tomoni taboks. Oh bisi kuri doks ni bisi kuri ngai bisi kuri sa. Kay aboni yagulo no borok tabok Chingsasa sabai nungaya. Or no, one of the biggest tourist destination of Northeast. Biggest tourist destination of Northeast to Abrok. Tabo Tarning Thangapon state. So we don't ask if on Kabai Best Day, Iprasa Rock, or Kasia Bosong, or Kasia Leader Rock, or Kasia Neta Rock. Nor one sok di dangkai tam ne bagai an yatek thupu ani bagai di yatek thupu na nor ne bagai thupu omlo one sok di si one tarok okay जों sini haki pili mana bagi try to makai nai tama manai mai abo ulikok kintu coba to khai ma tongnai coba khai oi komori thama sai coba khai komori thama lim chau coba khai oi si jung komor na hinga ke amo hinga ke sini bosabotai na sung tama hamjang maklai ne ba sini bosabotai na bomutai ha sung borona present rek lama maklai ne ba nasingi nai di sini dopane no otam sana boibo nasige tong keba ba munayo keba ba maya nangzau keba khairok zago keba sang sewan suna rangbiya so buskang ot sang joton nai singnai norok joton faile de so bo jaga bathak leni kamang dara bisa sai re
Alo Godam nearest
alo godam ne kana custom custom rock no money kana wa office ajaga gana gini sung bathak nai ke joton phebe jade so noro fire bathak de angaro sopaya phano angana gini mone serious na so walking on the street of Shillong and so many my beloved brothers and sisters are coming to join with this protest foot march Agartala to Delhi 2,500 kilometer protest foot march against illegal migration and illegal Bangladeshi infiltration in Tripura and Northeast and in demand of Greater Tripura land and in demand of implementation of the Prasa Accord. So please, if you want to join with us, please come. And now we are crossing Mobley area of Shillong, and I hope our foot march and our contribution for this Prasa nation not go in vain. So thank you very much हम भाई। तो आज हम लोग शिलोंग में हम लोग का अगरतला से दिल्ली तक का प्रोटेस्ट फुट मार्च, हिस्ट्रिकल प्रोटेस्ट फुट मार्च हम लोग शिलोंग में अभी मोबलाई एरिया क्रॉसिंग कर रहे। तो हमारा बहुत भाई लोग पिपरासा लोग हमारा साथ जुड़ चुके हैं अभी, और भी धीरे धीरे जुड़ने के लिए आ रहा है। तो पीछे में बहुत सारे लोग आ गया। अगरतला to Delhi protest march against illegal migration Bangladesh and in demand of Greater Tripura land and in demand of implementation of the Prasa Accord. So many brothers. Thank you, Hambai. So joto na tabuk hai sapika. Okay. Munai. Aba. Munai. So joto hai abang pika. Okay. La jara sak de joto na sak de. Up tak de. Okay, joto na hai और भी बहुत दिने सुनना व्यवस्था के ट्रैफिक जाम होंगे निभागे ट्रैफिक जाम ना हो इसीलिए शिलोंग का रूट्स बहुत ही छोटा है क्योंकि हिल एरिया है। तो बहुत लोग जुड़ चुके हैं। आप लोग सब लोग से बात कीजिए। 너도 많이 나. 플라워 스테이션 맞아. Cap kisar gani cap. Orang kayak cap aja kasih. Apa yang Apa yang kau?
Kamu halo gudangmu, halo gudang taxi point.
So आज हम लोग शिलोंग क्रॉस कर रहे हैं, तो शिलोंग में हमारा बहुत भाई लोग हमारा साथ जुड़ चुके हैं। तो 2500 किलोमीटर अगरतला टू दिल्ली तक का जो मार्च अगेंस्ट इलीगल माइग्रेशन इन नॉर्थ ईस्ट एंड इन त्रिपुरा, so we are protesting against this, and wherever Indian government of India, please hear our voice, please understand our emotions. And here we are in Shillong, so many peoples, so many Tiprasa peoples, they come to give me the strength. Hazra, अरे बस कहता सर जाना फैले।
Ini bahasa kong ayam ni. Ini coba.
Jalan nilai guys, bernilai guys.
Atika. Ya mau yang sama bos. Bokok set. Naik pensak aja traffic jam tak boleh deh. Nah. Ini anak tak boleh.
Norok nai tongo, Khorang the boss.